All right, I like this. Anytime I get a situation that I think, okay, this is okay, I'm going to go elsewhere, but I'm not going to, just abandon this right away. She looks great, and I think we've got a lot of energy going on, right here, right now. So I'm just going to knock off some pictures before I keep moving. All right, here we go, Drew. Kendra, all right. Maybe kick a little bit of a shoulder towards me. That's it. That's nice. Pretty. There we go. Awesome. Stay with me now. Okay. That's great. Now you can see what's happening here. I'm at 5.6. Okay, I've got one flash working, but I have the external battery pack going, so you can hear that recycles pretty darn fast. ISO 200, f5.6. Really nice, really pretty. Good. Awesome. Cool. Really good, really good. Kendra. I knew all I had to do was say your name, and that's what happened. See, that's it right there. Okay, beautiful. Okay. She looks absolutely lovely. Okay, so, all right, so next thing here, let's do a little glam thing, all right? A little bit of glam. When you talk about glamour, oftentimes what you're talking about is a little bit of low light, okay? And again, this is an issue that's come up before. Dish a little low light into somebody's eyes and face. Oftentimes, it's a very flattering way to go. Let's try this. Let's try a silver. Here's a tri-grip, okay? These are things that we've used numerous times already during the Kelby training videos. They are great to fan your subject with, etc., all that. But it's also nice kind of light shaping tool. Very handy, okay? Comes down, okay? This is silver, gold. We have diffusers. We'll work with these over the next couple of days. They're very simple, declarative sorts of things to use in a one-light solution. All right, so Drew's going to do his equivalent of the fan dance by doing a two-handed fan approach. Silver side to fill, Kendra, and a diffuser for overhead light. Okay, here we go. Very nice. Let me just check this now. See if we get... Yep, here we go. Very pretty. You can move that in even a tad closer. That's it. Great. No, come on back up. Fantastic. Good look, Kendra. Good look, good look. Okay. All right, fashion model. See, if you act a little goofy at the camera and have a very, very high threshold of, or I guess it would be low threshold of embarrassment, like you have to be able to just kind of be a bit of a goof and get your subject rolling with you, okay? And as you can see here, we've gone from this straight flash solution to simply, cleanly, a beautiful portrait. And she looks great. And what is the happy accident here for me, I didn't completely sort this out in my head. If I told you I did beforehand, I'd be lying. This kind of steel gray that the background has become complements that very beautiful matte blue color that she's wearing as a shirt, and kind of the blue hair, the blue eyes, the blue here, and then kind of neutral background, to me is working really well.